Well, that took an hour and 39 minutes to pull the old flooring up. The tiles that were stuck to that flooring were not giving up. So the whole thing came out together, and then I had to pull up a bunch of nails. So that's where I'm at. Well, another hour in, I've gotten this far, getting the linoleum in. This is quite frustrating, because after I cut this, tuck it under there, I don't have to roll this up, so this end comes down, so I have room to tuck it under the rollers. So yeah, there's a seam underneath there, but you can't see it because there's a little rug that stays there. Yeah, looks good. I need to put some trim around the dresser. There's another seam here, right there. We'll see how it holds up. But there's another rug that goes there too. Got the door back in, the thresholds, and actually the fumes weren't bad at all, which I was surprised.